This channel pulled over 3 million views with less than 30 uploads, and most people have no idea what niche it's in. When I saw how scalable this niche is, I had to break it down for you guys. According to vidIQ, this other channel's pulling anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 monthly just by posting self-improvement videos in a stick figure format. But here's what caught my attention. These videos are actually simple to make. No fancy editing, no expensive tools. Takes about 2 hours per video once you have the system down, and that's exactly what makes this niche scalable. So in this video, I'm walking you through the exact process these channels are using, from channel setup to creating visuals to final production. Everything you need to build something like this yourself. And if you're new here, I break down systems like this every week to help creators build successful faceless channels. I've spent years working behind big YouTube faces, building their systems, optimizing uploads, managing teams that scaled channels to millions of subscribers. And what I noticed was this: the creators making real money understood leverage. They built processes that worked without them grinding 12-hour days. So I took everything I learned and applied it to faceless channels. Now, this niche I'm showing you today, it's specifically about productivity and study content. Their target audience is young people, 15 to 27 years old. Students. We're talking about millions of potential viewers. And the reason this niche exploded is because everyone's chasing self-improvement, but nobody's explaining it in a way that these channels are. Before we get into the system, I want to show you what these videos actually look like and why they're working. Here's a short snippet of what we'll be building.
It's not the time you wake up that matters. It's how you use the hours when you're awake. That's the shift no one talks about.
Now, before you think this is some magic button that will guarantee you money, it's not. You need to learn the system, but once you do, it's actually easier than most people think. These channels aren't doing anything complicated. They're just consistent. Now, let's get into how these channels are pulling those numbers. And I also made this entire process very, very easy for you all. Everything is pretty much plug and play. Inside our prompting doc, I broke down our competitors' visuals, their profile picture, banner, thumbnails, even the image styles for their videos dash into JSON. Then I inputted it into the prompts you can use directly. Links in the description for the prompt doc we'll be using. First thing, you need a channel name, and the fastest way to do this is by using ChatGPT. Go to the prompt doc and copy the channel's name prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. I got names like Clearcraft, Mindsmith, HabitForge. Pick whichever one resonates with you. Keep it simple and memorable. I chose Daylight Habits for my channel name. Now that you have your name, the next step is creating your profile picture and banner concepts. Head back over to the prompt doc. Copy the profile picture prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then enter your channel name into this section and hit enter. Then go back to the doc and copy the banner prompt and do the same thing. Once you have created both of the prompts for your channel banner and picture, head over to Whisk. Paste the profile picture prompt first. Generate your image. Pick the best one and download it. Then do the same for the banner. Paste the banner prompt. Generate, download, and that's it. Now, I've already covered how to set up a channel and what settings to enable in previous videos, so I'm skipping that step here and heading right into video production. Alright, now let's create our first video. This is where 90% of new creators mess up. They pick random topics. The first thing you need is a viral topic. Let's go and check our competitors. See what kinds of topics are getting hundreds of thousands of views. We'll copy 5 to 10 of those viral titles. Then go to ChatGPT and paste them in with the video idea prompt. ChatGPT will give you brand new angles based on what's already proven to work. Pick one topic and move to the next step. I chose idea number 6. Now that you have your title, let's create a thumbnail concept. Go back to the doc and copy the thumbnail concept prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and replace the placeholders with your video title and concept. ChatGPT will generate a thumbnail prompt that matches your video. Save this. We'll come back to finalize it at the end. Now let's create the script. Go back to the doc and copy the scripting prompt. Input your video title and concept, and ChatGPT will generate a solid script. Go through and rewrite some parts in your own words. Add personal touches. Make it sound human, because the difference between a video that gets 10,000 views and one that gets 500,000 is in how authentic it feels. Now, we need to generate image prompts for each scene in your script. Go back to the prompt doc and copy the video image prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Then paste your entire script in the placeholder. ChatGPT will generate image prompts for every scene in your video. Copy and save all of the prompts. You'll use them in the next step. For this example, I'll be only producing one scene. Alright, now let's generate all the images. Head over to Whisk. Paste your first image prompt. Generate. You'll receive 2 different images. Pick whichever one looks best. This becomes your base style. Now click on that selected image. Then paste your second image prompt into it. Whisk will generate a new image using the same character style as your first image. This will keep your character style consistent across all of your images. Now generate the rest of your images. While your images are generating, let's work on the voiceover. I use 11 Labs for this. You can choose whichever voice production software you want. I used Atom for my voice because it's quite similar to the competitor's tone and style. If you want to choose someone different, feel free. Just listen to the competitor's video and find whichever voice is similar to theirs. Once you've picked your voice, paste your script into 11 Labs. Format the script cleanly and generate the voiceover. Listen through to make sure everything sounds right. Then download the audio file. Alright, your images are done. Your voiceover is done. Time to download everything. In Whisk, click on the top left and select Download All Images. You'll receive a zip file of all your images. Extract that file, and now you've got everything you need to start editing. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all your images and the voiceover file. First, drop the voiceover into the timeline. Now go through and cut all the dead space. Remove any long pauses. Once that's done, select the entire voiceover and increase the speed to 1.1x. This makes the pacing tighter and more engaging. Now start adding your images. Align each scene to match what's being explained in the voiceover. Make sure the visuals are depicting what's being said. Next, add sound effects. I added mouse clicks and typing sound effects. For music, I added some piano noise in the background. I recommend going to YouTube's audio library to find something similar. Make sure the sound effects and music are lowered to around -9 to -12 decibels, so you can still hear the voiceover clearly. Now add transitions. I just use fade in and fade out. The pattern doesn't matter. I usually put both fade in and fade out on scenes that are long, and just fade in on scenes that are short. You can add captions if you want. I decided not to for this one. Once everything looks good, head to the top right and click Export. Choose 4K resolution and export your video. Alright, video's done. Now let's finalize the thumbnail. Remember that thumbnail concept we created earlier? This is where it comes together. First, go back to your competitor's channel. Find a video concept that's similar to yours and save their thumbnail. Now I'm using the JSON GPT I created for my members. It breaks down images into structured data. You just upload the competitor's thumbnail and the GPT will decode everything. Color psychology, layout, text placement. Copy that JSON. Go back to ChatGPT where you created your thumbnail concept and paste it in prompt ChatGPT to optimize your thumbnail concept using the successful elements. ChatGPT will give you a finalized thumbnail prompt that combines your concept with their proven structure. Copy that prompt. Head over to Whisk, paste it, and generate your thumbnail. And just like that, in about 5 minutes, you have a finalized thumbnail that's based on what's already working in the niche. And look, I get it. This probably feels like a lot for a niche you've never tried before. But your first video takes a few hours. The next one's faster. By video 10, it's automatic. Because success on YouTube isn't about one viral video. It's about creating systems that scale and compound over time. You can figure all this out yourself, but the creators that move fast are the ones that are not solving the same problems twice. That's exactly why we built Inside Creator OS. Not just another course, but an ecosystem for creators who want YouTube success, that are creating channels, testing our proven systems, and sharing what works. First link in the description or pinned comment if you want to be a part of it. If not, no worries. Oh, and stick around. The full example video we built is about to play. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.